Deep inside the body, a kingdom exists, not built of stone and iron, but of living cells, flowing rivers of blood, and warriors born from bone. They call it the Inner Kingdom, and it has never, not once, known a quiet war. Wind Guard, standard formation. Keep the sweep steady. Nothing gets past us tonight. Yes, Chief. Mucus layer holding. Barrier integrity at 100%. Strange. Air pressure feels a little thin tonight. You always say that. Breathe easy. Nothing's wrong. The Alveoli Outpost, the kingdom's most vital territory, where oxygen crosses into the blood and life itself is made. The most sacred ground in the body, and the most fragile. What is this? I can't. My hands, it's using me. It's making me build them. A virus carries no weapons. It needs none. Its cruelest power is this. It turns the body's own builders into its army. A citizen becomes a factory. A home becomes a fortress for the enemy. Alveoli Outpost. Red alert. Probably just a few stragglers. I'll handle it. General, the scouts are reporting multiple signals. I said I'll handle it. All right. Come on, then. Is that all you've got? What? How many? You came to the wrong kingdom, you hear me? The wrong kingdom! T-Squad! I need you! Alveoli Outpost! Now! Cytokines. Chemical signals that carry more than coordinates. They carry emotion, urgency, fear. When a macrophage calls for help, the body does not hesitate. The body responds. T-Squad, this is Commander Kira. We have a confirmed Viral Legion incursion. Alveoli Outpost. Full breach. Multiple civilian casualties. We are going to neutralize every single one of them. About time we got a real mission. This isn't a mission, Riku. This is a war. You finally decided to show up. How bad? They've hijacked at least 12 citizens. Capillary Bridge 7. Their commander has taken it. If he holds that bridge, they cut off oxygen flow to the entire left side of the kingdom. Then Bridge 7 is where I go. Another cell soldier. You carry recognition proteins. You know my face, but knowing changes nothing. You're right. Your protein markers, your surface antigens, every piece of you that makes you what you are. And I know exactly where you break. What are you? I'm the one who was made specifically for you. Killer T-cells don't fight everyone. We're assigned. We train for one enemy. And you're mine. You're destroying your own... the cells I've taken. Yes, I know. Those were our people. And I am so sorry. But I cannot let you use them as a shield. I will not let this kingdom fall for 12 lives at the cost of millions. There is no word in the kingdom for what a killer T-cell carries after a battle. The weight of necessary loss. The grief of saving a kingdom by destroying what it loved. They carry it silently. They always have. You did good out there. We lost 12. we saved millions. I know. I just want to remember that those weren't numbers. They were citizens. Crystalline protein shell, surface antigen markers, replication rate, infiltration pattern through cilia barrier. They're dead. Why are you drawing them? Because dead is not the same as gone. The next time they come, and they will come, we will know them before they speak. The kingdom remembers. That is how we win. Not just today, but forever. B cells are the kingdom's memory. Every invader they record becomes a face on a wanted poster, passed down to memory cells, archived in the body's deepest libraries. It is not revenge. It is wisdom. The immune system does not forget. It cannot afford to. You should have called us earlier. I had it under control. You had 800 viruses under control. Huh. Call came, didn't it? You will never feel this war. You will never know the names of the soldiers who fought it. But inside you, right now, an army stands. Watching. Remembering. Ready. This is your immune system. And it has never, not once, stopped fighting for you.